fully inhale, expanding your belly and chest as much as you can, holding it for a moment, and exhale, feeling a wave of relaxation sweep over you. 2. Inhale, filling your entire breathing system with fresh oxygen. Hold it, and exhale, the wave of relaxation gently sweeping over you. 3. Inhale, so that you are brimming with air. Holding it, soaking in the oxygen, and exhale. Your body relaxes in different areas without any effort from you. 4. Fully inhale, feeling these breaths purifying your entire body. Exhaling, just notice how you are feeling. And 5. A beautiful breath coming in. Hold it, feeling invigorated from oxygen. And exhale, allowing relaxation to sweep over you. Take note of how you feel at this very moment. You now have an abundance of oxygen. This is how we are created to feel.